Child support payments are an important financial responsibility that helps support your child so they can grow and thrive. If you would like to change the amount set in your child support order, you may ask the Family Support Division, or FSD, to review your order. To learn more about your options, visit the FSD website at dss.mo.gov/child-support/ and click on non-custodial parent. Changing a child support order follows this process. First, you will need to request a review to change your child support order. To do this, you can mail a written request to Family Support Division, P.O. Box 6790, Jefferson City, Missouri 65102-6790, or fax your request to 573-635-7545. You only have to submit one request to start the process. We will reach out to both you and the child's other parent or guardian within 30 days. Next, we will check if your child support order is eligible for review. An order is eligible for review if it has been 3 years since it was started, reviewed, or changed. If it has been less than 3 years, we will only review your order under special circumstances, like certain changes in your life, such as adding a child to the order or a large rise or fall in income. If your order is eligible for review, FSD will gather information about both you and your child's other parent or guardian, such as your income and if you each have health insurance for the child. Once FSD has received all the information we asked for, we review your current orders for child support, medical support, and any agreements. Then we will let both you and your child's other parent or guardian know if we have decided to continue with your change request or deny it. If we continue with your request, we will send a motion or document to everyone involved proposing a change to your child support order. A change to your court order is called a modification. It's usually a change in the amount you pay for child support. You can agree or disagree with the proposed change. If you and your child's other parent or guardian agree to the new support order, the process is done. However, each case is different. The process may take longer if someone does not agree to the proposed change. If you or your child's other parent or guardian do not agree with the proposed change, you each have 30 days to send a written request to FSD asking for an administrative hearing. Or if at any time someone would rather take the case to court, either of you may file a motion asking the court to review and change your support order. An administrative hearing is a meeting that is done over the phone with FSD where both you and your child's other parent or guardian have a chance to give statements and evidence to a hearing officer. Whoever asks for the change to the child support order must prove why the change is necessary. 3 to 4 weeks later, the hearing officer will issue a decision in order that says whether or not the change to the support order should be made. If you both agree with the decision, the process is done. If one or both of you disagree with the hearing officer's decision and order, you will need to file a motion asking the court to review the hearing officer's decision. If the original order was established by the court as a judicial order, FSD sends it to the Missouri Attorney General's office. If the office agrees with the change, it files a motion to review and approve with the court. If the office does not agree with the change, the order is returned to FSD to review and resubmit when corrections have been made. The next step is for the court to decide if it will review the proposed change. If the court approves the motion to review and approve, it will review the proposed change. If the court does not approve the motion, your case could go to trial. Both you and your child's other parent or guardian must receive legal documents about the change. This step can take a long time if the documents can't be delivered. The court process is complete when a judge signs the new order. If a new support order is set, FSD will update your case with the new order. And if your employer withholds money for child support from your paycheck, we will tell them the new amount. Still have questions? Visit dss.mo.gov/child-support/ and click on non-custodial parent. You can also use the DSS chat feature to ask questions.